As we all know that junk food is very harmful to our health. Nowadays, junk food are popular among youth and children. Junk food may be tasty, but they do not provide any nutrition to our body. Whereas healthy food are essential for living a disease-free life. Good morning everyone. Today our little wonders of nursery are here to present a thematic assembly on junk food and healthy food. So let's welcome different kinds of junk food. Here comes first burger made of 2 buns. So let's welcome Ishan as burger.
I am a burger made of 2 buns. Eating me so much fun. Eating me too much. It's fat and big.
Next comes a hunky chips of potatoes. So please welcome Atharv as French fries.
I am French fry. I am chicken or potato. Fried in oil. I have no healthy food.
Next is a sweet food made from flour, sugar and other ingredients. So here comes Kushi as a cake. It fizz out of bottle just in a blink. So here comes Ahana as a cold drink.
Cold drink. I feel out of bottle just in the blink.
I am so sweet. All children love to eat me. Yes, I am a candy. So please welcome Alize as Candy. I am an Italian dish, so please welcome Sabhya as
I am pizza. I am rich. Rich love to eat me. Not football.
Here comes Tegur as a yummy pasta. So please welcome Tegur.
Pizza and mommy, what? I tell me that.
Pizza.
And junk food.
Kids love to eat me. Yes, I am an ice cream. So here comes Shivanya as an ice cream.
I like ice cream. It's my favorite treat. I like ice cream. That's what I like to eat. I like ice cream anytime I can. Who like ice cream? Here comes the ice cream man.
कितना मजा आए रे दुनिया डेयरी मिल्क की बन जाए रे. Yes, here comes Aradhya and Shivai enjoying a dairy milk chocolate.
Kiss me, close your eyes and miss me. Close your eyes and kiss me. I can read your lips on your fingertips. I can feel your smile come on my lips and happiness in your eyes.
Now please welcome Suryansh as hot cross buns.
Well, hot cross bun. One penny, 2 penny. Hot cross bun. Hot cross bun. 1 penny, 2 penny. If you know that, get yourself. Hot cross bun.
I come in different flavors. Yes, I am Chips. Let's welcome Tejas as Chips.
I am Chips. I am Mintu. You can flavor me. Chips into me, man.
Now please welcome Adhamya as delicious active popcorn.
I am a popcorn. Pop. Change the popcorn in the pan. If you get me, if you can.
Now let's welcome Uditi as mango
Fruity, fresh and juicy.
I am fruity, I am soft drink, I am fruit juice, I am mango fruity, fresh and juicy.
I am fast to cook and good to eat. Children love to eat me. So please welcome Naksh as Maggie.
2 मिनट रुक सकते हैं, सिर के बल रह सकते हैं, घड़ी की जबकि भूख लगी है, मैगी चाहिए अभी मुझे.
They are not good for our health. So all should know what all things are healthy to eat. So here comes the first healthy food. Ahan and Advik as mango.
मैंगो राजा है, बच्चों को वो बाता.
So children, have you seen all the junk food? Now please welcome Mahir as Mr. Coconut.
I am Mahir. I am Mr. Coconut. I am full of juice. I am plus brown cream.
It is white in color. It gets us from cow. Can you guess what is it? Yes, it is milk. So please welcome Nara as milk.
I am milk. I am white in color. You can mix me with different flavor.
I make the milk tastier. Please welcome Smira as banana shake.
I make milk tastier. You make me strong.
Here comes the next Srija as mango shake.
Mango shake the made from king of food.
It gives us instant energy. So please welcome Harmanpreet as Gulkondi.
Only the powerful energy.
Tomatoes are red, potatoes are brown. A brinjal is purple with a green crown. So here comes Saransh, Takshdeep and Surveen as vegetables.
फल फ्रूट्स। आलू बोला मुझको खाया, मैं तुम्हें माता दूंगा। पालक बोले मुझको खाना, मैं तुम्हें ताकत दे दूंगी। काजू बोले अगर हमें भी खाओगे तो पूरे हो जाओगे, पूरे हो जाओगे। थैंक यू।
No more wait for yummy food. Here comes Ramneek. That's all with the thematic assembly presented by the Tiny Tots of class Nursery. Thank you for taking your precious time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.